Hi there, hope you're having a great day. Today I'm going to teach you about the direct online DOL starter, a simple and commonly used method for starting three-phase induction motors. On components required: 1. 3-pole MCB, miniature circuit breaker. 2. Contactor with 4 normally open NO terminals, coil voltage 440 volts. 3. Overload relay, OLR. 4. 3-phase motor, below 3 HP. 5. On push button, normally open, NO. 6. Off push button, normally closed, NC. The wiring procedure: 1. Power supply, connect the RYB 3-phase. Supply to the input of the MCB. From the MCB output, connect to the main terminals of the contactor. 2. Contactor and motor. The first 3 terminals of the contactor go to the motor through the OLR, overload relay. The 4th terminal is used for the holding contact. 3 OLR to motor. Connect the output of the OLR to the motor terminals, T1, T2, T3. 4th, control circuit, push buttons. Take the B phase for the control supply. Connect it to the stop, NC push button. From the stop button, connect to the start, no push button. Then connect to one end of the coil. Connect the R phase directly to the other end of the coil. Five. Holding circuit. Take a parallel connection from the start button to the no auxiliary contact of the contactor, used as holding contact. This helps to maintain the coil's energization after the start button is released. Working principle. When you press the start button, the B phase completes the circuit to the coil, energizing the contactor. The contactor closes its main and auxiliary holding contacts, starting the motor. When you release the start button, the holding contact keeps the coil energized and the motor continues to run. To stop the motor, press the stop button, which breaks the control circuit and de-energizes the coil. If you have any questions about the setup, feel free to leave a comment. Thanks for reading and happy learning. Please like, share, and subscribe. Your support encourages me to keep creating more tutorials.